Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the crucial topic for anyone looking to monetize their YouTube channel. We are talking about the top 5 money mistakes you need to avoid to ensure you are maximizing your earnings and not losing out on potential revenue. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this video is a must watch. Mistake number 1 is ignoring your YouTube analytics. Your analytics are a gold mine of information that can help you understand what is working and what is not. By overlooking this data, you might miss out on key insights that could drive your revenue. Here is how to use YouTube analytics effectively. Focus on metrics like watch time, audience demographics, and traffic sources. These can help you tailor your content and strategy to better meet your audience's needs and preferences. Take the time to review your analytics regularly and adjust your strategy based on what you find. It is a crucial step in optimizing your channel's revenue potential. Next up is neglecting SEO or search engine optimization. Many creators underestimate the power of SEO in driving traffic to their videos. Without effective SEO, your videos might not reach your target audience. Here are some SEO tips. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Create compelling thumbnails and engaging video descriptions. Also, leverage closed captions and transcript to make your content more discoverable. Effective SEO can significantly boost your visibility and increase your chances of making more money through ad revenue and sponsorships. Mistake number 3 is relying solely on ad revenue. While ad revenue is a significant part of your earnings, it should not be your only source of income. Consider diversifying your income by exploring other revenue streams such as merchandise, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and channel memberships. This way, you can create multiple income sources and reduce your dependency on ad revenue alone. Diversifying your income not only boosts your overall earnings, but also provides financial stability, even when ad rates fluctuate. Mistake number 4 is overlooking viewer engagement. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal community and increasing your channel's growth. Respond to comments. Create interactive content like polls or question and answer sessions and encourage viewers to participate. Engaging with your audience can lead to higher viewer retention and more opportunities for sponsorships. Building a strong community around your channel can significantly impact your revenue and long-term success. And finally, mistake number 5 is not tracking your expenses. Many creators focus on their income but forget to keep an eye on their expenses, which can lead to financial trouble. Keep track of all your expenses, including equipment, software, and other costs related to content creation. Use budgeting tools or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and ensure you are staying within your budget. By managing your expenses effectively, you can better understand your profitability and make informed decisions about your channel's growth. Alright, that's a wrap up or list of top 5 YouTube money mistakes to avoid. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you are ready to optimize your channel for maximum revenue. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. What is the biggest challenge you have faced with monetizing your YouTube channel? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.